Hey guys, what's up? It's new Slitherio. Slitherio. You know Slitherio. Slitherio. Please share my videos and don't leave a like, comments. My friend, let's named what the name is. Rug 190 done. What's the beautiful play online or play against AI? Play online. Yes, or rug 190. Oh, hey man, you sup? What's up? Yeah. Okay na. Oh my god. That's so big. Oh my god. Horrible. 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 Mud. Oh, I changed my skin. Oh, what's my skin? America. Yes. There it was. Word. Oh my god. So hard. It's this game is so fun. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's so horrible. I don't want to play online. I want to be against AI. I want to play against AI. I can play online. Play against AI. It's so easy. Yes. Big. Yes. Oh my god. Is this who's create this game? Oh my god. Yes, my god. Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Yes, I know. No play against AI. I don't want to play online. Yo. Damn. It's so easy, Yes, mine. That's so hard. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Guys, thank you for watching. Don't leave a like, comment, and don't leave a subscribe. Subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Bye.